Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Jaggery Uraddal Laddu. Let's start the recipe. Take 250 grams of Uraddal. Dry roast them until it changes its color and turns aromatic. Now Uraddal is roasted perfectly. Grind roasted Uraddal into fine powder. Now add 200 grams of jaggery and 3 pods of cardamom. Adjust jaggery as per your taste. Grind into fine powder. Mix well. Now add ghee gradually and prepare laddus. If you like Jaggery Uraddal Laddu, drop a comment below and let us know. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Very tasty and delicious Jaggery Uraddal Laddu is ready. Please like, share, comment so that it will reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.